Alrighty, so then we have Tuesday, which is June 1st. So let's go ahead and stamp that one up. So I'm going to try stamping the numbers, the times on the opposite side and see if that works any better. And does a little bit better. Alright, so there we got that. That off, and we will do, let's see, Tuesday stamp. Where did you go? So Tuesday we will do in red. Did you just move? Yes, you did. So we will just put you on a block and use a scratch piece of paper to push it down. Make sure it's not going to move again. And go ahead and stamp. All right, so there's Tuesday. And then let's make sure this is dry because I believe that is why. Okay, and we'll use this dark blue. There we go. And that is the first. So I am just going to use this teeny tiny block. So much easier. And let's do that in red. June 1st. Alrighty, and then we'll go ahead and use this one again. We're going to do this in blue. Stamp off, toss that to the side. Okay, so that is Tuesday. Now let's add some decorative elements to this. And I've got this barbecue. And let's do It's Barbecue Time here. We can do that in black. And have a decor piece. See, this grill, and we'll do that one in black as well. And this will be fun here. And we'll do that in red. And that is day 2. So we've got our month, our Monday, which is Memorial Day, and then Tuesday, which is June 1st. Thanks for watching.